Are you thinking about the perfect solution to your 5G design challenges? So are we. We've developed forward-thinking composite solutions for your frequency spectrums, using our continuous manufacturing technology for efficient, high-quality, high-volume production for both 5G macro and MIMO base station and small cell radomes. Our designs deliver our best signal permittivity and electrical performance across the 5G frequency spectrums. Our macro MIMO base station solutions incorporate a honeycomb core signal window, positioned exactly where you need it. Our best signal permittivity comes built into our small cell composites. The foam core composite is tuned to provide our best electrical performance in the millimeter wave frequencies and is supported with a rigid fiberglass frame. Could our composites be the perfect solution to your 5G challenges? Wherever you are in the world, our global presence means that we are on hand to help you find the right solution. Get in touch and let's solve your 5G challenges together.